What else would be throwing shots fired? Shots fired.
Oh yeah, sure. 1033.
Hey, stop! What else would be throwing shots fired? Shots fired.
Oh yeah, sure. 1033.
What else would be throwing the vehicle? Took off southbound Boulder. Is about to make a eastbound on Hatch. Fuck. Is in the center median? Yeah.
Can air guide us in? How far?
There he is.
Yep, I see him.
12 o'clock. Modesto Police Department, hands up!
You guys read? Everybody read?
Yep, red.
Okay. Stop right here. Okay. Yeah, let me see your hands up. Both hands up. Let me see your hand. Let me see your other hand. Other hand, your left hand. Okay. Jump. Get over the center divide. Hop over the other side.
Yummy yell at him, Mesa. Hey, what I need you to do is get onto this side of the road. Keep your hands up in the air. Do it now.
Okay. You ready? You got hands up?
Yes.
You want me to go too, Mason? Yeah, come on. Okay. Keep your hands up.
Hold on, G.
Come towards us. Hop over. Hop over.
Hop over that railing.
Okay.
All right, are we going to drag him on this side?
Yeah.
Copy that.
Yeah.
Keep your hands up. Do not move.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Just grab him and bring him over. Grab him and bring him over. Bring him over.
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
I can't feel my leg.
Only one, right?
Make it. Make it.
Yeah, he's bleeding from
Yep. I'll grab it. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.